Hi there, everybody. Marybeth Angelelli here. Welcome back. I want to do another video today to talk to you more about email processing and how you can make money with email processing and how easy it is to generate $100 a day. That is extremely doable and very attainable and reachable if you plug into the system, if you follow the training, step-by-step training, and if you're teachable and coachable. This is a very newbie-friendly, user-friendly system that works. It's been helping people to generate extra income from the comfort of their home or really just about anywhere since 2010. This is a worldwide opportunity. Now, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be posting pre-written ads on social media. We teach you exactly what to do, how to do it, and how to succeed. Now, it definitely does take action. It does take work, but if you put forth the effort and the work and you commit to the process and you stay consistent and you follow the super simple instructions and all of the training, then you too can go on to be successful. Now, yesterday was the 4th of July, and I wasn't even home most of the day, but I still managed to generate and turn a profit. It was definitely one of my lower days, but nonetheless, I still earned on 100% autopilot $125. So with this system, great things are definitely happening and anything is possible. Much to my surprise, I had 2 new members sign up. One came in at the $100 level and the other came in at the $25 level, and I'm going to show you proof of that. Again, you can be generating income 24/7, 7 days a week, and it is a worldwide opportunity. Okay, so right here was yesterday and auto receipt 2. Okay, so we're going to come in here. I'm just going to quickly go through this. Here was a $100 sign up right here, $100 right here, and we're going to come down here, and here was 25. Okay, so going into that, I just want to show you that real quick. 125 on the 4th of July. Wasn't even home, didn't speak to either of these individuals, just received 2 surprise email notifications that I had generated 2 new signups through my email processing system. Okay, and this is my funnel here, folks, my award-winning funnel that works extremely well. Very high response, super converting. And again, what we are doing is we are posting pre-written ads on social media. What you need is a Wi-Fi connection, access to the internet, and a smartphone or a laptop or a desktop. Okay, you definitely need something that you can utilize to access the internet with a Wi-Fi connection, either a smartphone, a tablet, a laptop, or a desktop, along those lines. And here is my funnel, and what I encourage you to do to get access to review the information so you can make a decision whether this is going to be the right fit for you. I trust that it will be if you're looking for a simple way to start to generate extra income, at least $100 a day, plus per day. It's very attainable. Most of my days I generate in excess of $200 a day, in excess of $300 a day. So working the system, as an income disclaimer, I do have to get it out there that results are not typical. However, they are highly attainable and very achievable if you follow the simple step-by-step blueprint with all of the training of exactly what to do and how to do it, and we provide you with everything. You're going to be taking the pre-written ads, you're going to be copying, pasting, and posting for profit on social media. For example, Facebook, Instagram, Craigslist, Snapchat, YouTube. You're going to have access to everything that you need to be up and running and successful with the email processing system. This is a very user-friendly, newbie-friendly system, and anyone can do this, okay? This is ideal for anybody and everybody who is teachable, coachable, and can take action and follow simple step-by-step instructions and copy and paste ads. You can promote this program any way you like. My two personal favorites are YouTube, where I will continue to share amazing results, continue to upload videos for you, so you can continue to follow along my progress and success. I also utilize Facebook. I also do some paid marketing. Solo ads work extremely well and enable you, if you do have an advertising budget, you don't even need a big advertising budget. A small advertising budget will do. For example, you can utilize a really good source that I'm going to give out as a special treat for you on this video, one that I've been utilizing with really good results in recent days and weeks is MLMleads.com. Go ahead and check it out. My Autopilot Traffic National is the category that you want. Again, that's My Autopilot Traffic National with MLMleads.com, and I will show you that here before I close out this video. So to find out more, review everything, I do encourage you to enter your name and email address. Click on Show Me the Video. You'll go inside, you'll be able to review everything, all of the information, watch the 2 short videos there, scroll down. As soon as you're ready, you can select between 3 product packages, the 25, the 50, or the 100. They all pay out 100% commission, payable directly to you. It's member to member, straight to your bank account via your favorite payment processor. Okay, so let me just show you here. This is blessedforsuccess.net. So just head on over to blessedforsuccess.net and take action, folks. Okay, enter your information so that you can get access to all the information. Now let me show you here one of my best trusted traffic sources, MLMleads.com. Okay, so this is where you can go and you can review everything here. My Autopilot Web Traffic National, that is the category that you want to select from, and you can select whatever traffic package you want. There's something here to fit every budget. For example, you can start off with 40 clicks for right around $41. Very, very simple, plus a small processing fee. So for under $50, you can buy a traffic package and get started. As you start to generate income from your email processing system, you can scale up. There's many other traffic packages here within the My Autopilot Web Traffic National. This is an excellent source, MLMleads.com. They have been around for a long time. They're very reliable. They get the job done very, very well. All you have to do is provide them with the link to your website, okay? And I'm going to share with you exactly where to go to get an award-winning, high-response, high-converting funnel so that when you do utilize paid traffic, you can generate and maximize your potential for the best results, okay? The best conversions so that you can start to generate high-quality leads through paid marketing. If you have an advertising budget, you certainly can start off free, utilizing the simple strategies and the training inside of your system that you're going to have access to, where you will get access to all of the pre-written ads to start posting on social media, okay? And that is primarily all free. Now, when you get a budget, this is a way to work smarter, not harder, and scale up and get your business off the ground much quicker, okay? Paid traffic definitely will get you there faster. So check out MLMleads.com, My Autopilot Web Traffic National, okay? So here we go. Let me show you where you can go to get an awesome funnel, marketerfunnels.com. Go back here. This is marketerfunnels.com. Okay. So we're going to go here, MARKETER, funnels.com. Now, I really do highly recommend that you seriously consider getting one of these, especially if you are serious about getting and taking your email processing system, launching it, getting it off the ground on the right foot so that you can position yourself for maximum results and maximum success. Okay, so you definitely want to leverage the system. By all means, get in where you fit in, but the $100 product package is definitely the best, because you're going to get the 50 and the 25, and you're going to position yourself for maximum income potential. Okay, so where you can start to receive, once you get this going, once you complete all your training, you'll be able to take action and stay committed to the process, be consistent, have a daily action plan, and get out there and share this with the masses and have fun. This is a fun business. Have fun posting your pre-written ads on social media. Okay, worldwide opportunity. You can go out there and literally reach the masses and kill it with this opportunity. We have people that are creating full-time incomes, working part-time from the comfort of their home, or really you can travel, you can work this business, folks. Yesterday was the 4th of July. Like I mentioned, I was out and about. I wasn't even home, and I made $125. So all things are possible and great things are happening. So before I close out, I'm going to show you where you can go to get this, and I do highly, highly recommend it, because you need a good converting funnel. First impressions count, folks. Remember that. What people see as soon as they initially look at your opportunity is going to be dependent on your results and your ultimate success. So you come down here, and where is my funnel? EPS capture page. Okay, it is well worth the one-time $99 investment, trust me. Okay, this continues to generate me income almost every single day of the week, and I average anywhere between $100 and $300 or more on a consistent daily basis, utilizing a high quality funnel. Well worth it, folks. So check this out. You can go here, view the demo. Okay, and then you can go ahead and order. See, it looks just like mine. The simple system has unlimited earning potential. Are you ready to change your life? If you are, when you go to my funnel, blessedforsuccess.net, enter your information, show me the video, you'll come inside. So with that being said, my name is Marybeth Angelelli. Hope you had a wonderful holiday. Back at it again today, Thursday, the 5th of July. Wow, this month is starting to go by really fast, folks. And I'll tell you what, the best is yet to come. We are going to be entering the busy season starting right around August the 1st. Going to experience a sudden shift in this industry. It's going to get crazy busy, and it's going to roll all the way through the end of the year, through the holidays. And then once we start a brand new year, it's going to be New Year's resolutions and tax season. So get in now, start to build your foundation, get access to the training, plant your seeds, and be ready for the big season, the big boom season in the home-based industry, which is going to be right around the corner, where it's just going to be, game over, open season, and it's going to literally be a level playing field for everybody. This is an awesome, awesome opportunity, folks, where you can literally copy and paste pre-written ads, follow a blueprint that you're going to be provided, step-by-step instructions. If you are ready to change your life, change your situation, change your finances, this is as easy as it gets. Super easy, simple, user-friendly, newbie-friendly. This is a system that can definitely make it happen for you, and it's been helping lots and lots of people, thousands, since 2010. So my name is Marybeth Angelelli. Connect with me. All of my contact information is below, and hopefully I'll see you soon on the inside of the email processing system. Have a great day. Enjoy your summer, and I will see you soon on another video. Bye for now.